Give it a try. I promise you, you will love it. The first time I shared this video on here was quite a long time ago. There's a thumbnail. And a lot of you actually said to me, well, hold on, does it work? Does it not work? A lot of you went away and you tried it. And a lot of you came back saying, I cannot believe the results. A lot of people, for some reason, think we don't have any muscle here. Or maybe in all of the face, they think we don't have any muscle, but we do. You can train your muscles and you can literally change the shape of your face. You can change how your cheeks look. You can change your nose, your eyebrows. Literally, you can change as long as you know what you're doing and as long as you train and you're consistent. I'm going to show you what to do. It's so easy to do, so simple. I learned this so many years ago. So you can see my nose right in the middle here, where it's nice and wiggly. You're going to lift up slightly, okay? You don't want to lift like this, no, just slightly. And you're literally going to pull with your top lip. You're not pressing it down with your nose. So you're using this to pull. Try that every single day, okay? Try it every day and do it in a set of 10. So 10, have a little break, 10, have a little break, 10. Do it every day, whether it be morning, afternoon, noon and night, or just afternoon and night. Do it every single day. Try and do it twice a day. Even take photos. Come back and tell me. Now, one thing I really regret is that I didn't take photos. I did not take a before and after photo. So when I started this, years back when I started it, I didn't take a before photo because I wasn't even on YouTube then, I don't think, and I didn't think of actually sharing it on here. And still, I don't have a before photo because I've just been keeping up with doing this. And one thing I've noticed for me is it lifts your nose and it just looks a lot slimmer. That's what I've noticed. My nose looks a lot slimmer and it is lifted. I want you guys to take a photo, a before photo from the front, from the side, from the other side, and then again do it in a month's time, 2 months' time, and see if you can see a difference. For me, I was hooked on it, and it is so easy to do. You can literally sit anywhere and do it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Drop me a comment to let me know if you're going to try it. And also come back to this, okay? Come back to the video and tell me how your results are. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.